Meow, 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 check me out, I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out, I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out, I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out. Meow, 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 check me out. Check me out.
Hey guys, today we're doing a video. Today we'll be doing a video about famous jammers that, well, obviously a lot of you know. Julian 2 deleted his YouTube. Yeah. His den is it's usually unlocked, but he doesn't have very many decorations in it, and it's always really hard to get in. Wolffeycat, Wolffeycat. There we go. She has it unlocked. I was in there this morning. I don't know why. Wootmoo. Wootmoo's done. It's like never locked. It used to be one of the most beta dens in Animal Jam, but now it's not really because he switched it. It used to be a treehouse with a bunch of stuff. Wootmoo, you know, he's supposed to be the non-member snow leopard. I don't really get it. I mean, I know that he's non-member, and I know that he's these animals, but I think it's just a glitch or a hack or something. But I don't get it. We continue this. Oh look, this part always scares me. It's like a creep. It's raining. Let's see. Anywhere else? Oh, here's an update. This was from Aqua Infinity. I just watched one of her videos. If you have seen this and you didn't see that video, go subscribe, comment, and like her videos. They're amazing. I love Aqua Infinity. But I also want to show you Recycledbeards. Well, that's the new Fman, and instead of the classic Fman, I think it's like that. No, I can't find it. Hold on. I'm gonna pause it for a second. Be right back. Well, I couldn't find the other one. It was fake Fman. I thought I knew the username too, but it said it was like it hadn't been on in so long that it expired. So, guys, that's probably about it. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks.
Meow, 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 check me out, I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out, I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out, I'm a cat. Meow. Check me out. Meow, 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 check me out. Check